Tired of your money being stuck in your WeChat wallet? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily transfer money from your WeChat wallet to your bank account in just a few simple steps, so you can finally get that cash where it needs to be. First, open the WeChat app and tap on the Me tab, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you will find your profile and settings. Next, select Wallet from the options. This will take you to your WeChat wallet interface. Now tap on Money. You may see it labeled Balance. Instead, this will show you your current WeChat wallet balance and options for managing your funds. Look for the Withdraw option and tap on it. This is the key to transferring your money to your bank account. Here, you'll see the bank card linked to your WeChat wallet. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to add it by tapping Add Bank Card and following the on-screen instructions. Make sure the name registered to the bank card matches how it is registered on your WeChat account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Double-check that the bank card details displayed are correct before proceeding. Review the details one last time, and then tap Withdraw Now or confirm. You may be prompted to enter your WeChat payment password for security reasons. That's it. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is processing. The funds should typically arrive in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Although it can sometimes be faster. Now go ahead and enjoy your money.